everyone, and welcome to our special Father's Day celebration.
Today, I, Ashika Mittal,
And I, Shreyana Ranganeja,
have gathered to honor and appreciate all the incredible fathers in our lives.
fathers are like silent warriors. They may not always say much, but their action speaks volumes.
Their strength, patience, and silent sacrifices make them our real life superheroes.
So, dear fathers, sit back, relax, and get ready for a celebration that's just for you. Also, a colored band was given to you at the entrance. We request you to please take care of it as it will serve as your entry pass for the game scheduled later in the event. Before we hand over the show to our co-hosts, let us share a proud moment about them. Jashvi Bed, our co-host, has made remarkable achievements in the year 2024-25. She won a gold medal in the inter-school skating competition at Guru Kripa Vidya Sankul, stood second in roller skating, third in the Little Star EVS Olympiad, and first in the Maths Olympiad. Her excellence truly makes her a proud Goenkan.
Our another co-host, Vedant Mehta, has also brought great pride to the school with his achievements. In the academic year 2024-25, he secured second position in the quiz competition, second position in the group race, first position in the mother and son race, and won a gold medal by securing first position in the EVS Olympiad. Continuing his winning streaks, he recently bagged first position in the Art competition held in the academic year 2025-26. Vedant's enthusiasm and commitment shine through in all that he does.
My dear children, can we hear for our friends? I know you all are very much excited. So now let's see what our co-hosts want to tell us all. So we welcome Jashvi and Vedant over here on the stage.
Good morning everyone. I am Jashvi from class senior KG and I am so happy to be here today. I am Vedanta from senior KG. We are your coach for this special celebration. Welcome to our special Father's Day celebration. I am so delighted to have with us our director, Principal Administrator. Welcome ma'am.
Where is ma'am?
Welcome ma'am.
Every thriving institution is guided by a leader who not only sets direction but also nurtures its spirit. At GD Goenka International School, Surat, we are privileged to be led by someone who is both a thoughtful mentor with motherly warmth, someone who blends structure with sensitivity and vision with values. Ma'am is a respected academic leader known for her dedicated service, sound judgment, and student-centered approach. Her unwavering commitment to excellence has helped create an environment where learners flourish both intellectually and ethically. Her contributions to education have been widely recognized with prestigious awards including Abdul Kalam Best Principal Award by CED, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan Award 2024, 50 Effective Principals 2023 by Education Today, Outstanding Visionary Award 2024, SDG Hero Award 2024, Change Maker of the Year, Leader of the Year 2022 by CED, and the Goenkan Leader of the Year 2024-25 by GD Goenka Vasant Kuj. Can we hear a little louder for her?
A very warm welcome, ma'am. Now we welcome our supportive management member, Dr. Shruti Agarwal.
Ma'am's academic journey is marked by excellence and innovation. A GATE qualifier with 94 percentile and an MSc Gold medalist. She was awarded the prestigious DST Inspired Fellowship worth Rs 20 lakhs. She received the Madhya Pradesh Young Scientist Award and was named Best University Research Researcher of the Year, a PhD in toxicology from DRDO. She was authored 4 international research papers and a book chapter in Elsevier. Recognized for her outstanding educational contributions, she has received multiple accolades, including the Best Goenkan Educator Awards 2023, 22-23, 24-25, and the Thinking Out of the Box Educator Awards by Colin.
Next we have our pre-primary coordinator, Ms. Ankita Muya.
Ankita ma'am, our dedicated pre-primary coordinator, has been honored with the prestigious Goenkan Award for Best Coordinator of the Year and the Best Innovative Teacher Award by the CED Atmanirbhar Digital Awards. Her remarkable contributions and innovative approach continue to inspire us all. Can we hear it for her?
Next we have our pre-primary associate coordinator, Ms. Shreya Narang. And of course our superhero dad, our teachers and our wonderful friends. We are so delighted to have you all here. To begin our program, we will light the ceremonial lamp, a symbol of joy and wisdom. Yes, Yashi, with folded and happy heart, we invite Jaishi ma'am, Shruti ma'am and Ankita ma'am to come forward and light the lamp.
I request you all to please stand up for the prayers.
Hari Om. Ishavasyamidam sarvam yatkincha jagatyan jagat tena tyaktena bhunjitha ma grudah kasya svidhanam. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul huwallahu ahad Allahus samad lam yalid balam yulad lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad.
एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद जप आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसे भी सच। सोचे सोच न होवई जे सोची लखवार चुपै चुप न होवई जे लाए रहा लिवतार भुखिया भुख न उतरी जे बन्ना पुरिया पार सहस्याण पालख होहे ता इक न चले नाल किव सचियारा होइए किव कूड़े टुटे पाल हुक्म रजाई चलना नानक लिखिया
नमो अरिहन्ताणं नमो सिद्धाणं नमो आयर्याणं नमो वज्रायाणं नमो लोये सवसाहुणम् ईसो पञ्चनमुकारो सौव पावपणासणो मङ्गलाणं च सौवेसिं पढमं हवै मङ्गलम् पढमं हवै मङ्गलम् पढमं हवै मङ्गलम्
Thank you, dear all. You may take your seats now. We believe that all religions are equal, and that's why we stand united, keeping all communities in mind. This insightful idea of prayer was initiated by our chief mentor, Sir Shri Manarbai Kakaria. With deep gratitude and heartfelt warmth, we now invite our Director Principal, our guiding light, and a true motherly figure, Ms. Jayashree Chadaria, to address us with her inspiring words. Over to you, ma'am.
A very, very warm welcome to all the fathers present here. They are celebrating Father's Day today, but I think the child is born and the Father's Day starts. So, mother, it starts as soon as she conceives. The Father's Day starts as soon as the child is born. I remember my own son-in-law when my granddaughter was born, and he was the first one after her mother to take her on his chest and just talk to her for half an hour. And the girl, she listened to her father with wide eyes open, just born. So the Father's Day had started. So you also must have experienced the same thing. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all on this special celebration of Father's Day. I don't know how you are feeling. How are you all feeling? Great to be the fathers. So mothers, please look into it. Fathers are very happy. We come together to honor and appreciate the incredible fathers and father figures in our lives. You all must have your fathers, and you must be remembering. You must be nostalgic moments what your fathers have done for you, what sacrifices they did for you, even though they have not said it. So all the father figures, a salute. Each one of you hold a unique and irreplaceable place in our hearts, and today we acknowledge your invaluable contributions with gratitude and admiration. Fathers are often seen as the strong pillars of the family. They are the silent protectors. Indian culture में ऐसा कहा जाता है, करता कौन है? Karta is father. Yes, of course, the societies are changing, norms are changing. Mothers are equally important, and I would always say, father and mother, no one is ahead of each other. Both are at par, and without both of them, a family can never be growing. So, importance is both father and mother. Nobody's up and nobody's down. They may not always be as vocal about their love and dedication as others, but their actions speak louder than words ever could. The sacrifices they make, the lessons they impart, and the love they show are the foundations upon which we build our lives. How many of you are fathers here of girl child? तो वो लाइन सही है क्या कि पापा की बेटी है और मामा का बेटा है? सही है? सब लोग मानते हैं ऐसा? और जिनके बेटे हैं प्लीज हाथ उठाइए. आपको ऐसा नहीं लगता आपका बेटा आपका ही है और मतलब बेटा पापा का है? तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है ये लाइन ठीक है, लेकिन पापा के लिए बेटी उतनी प्यारी है जितना बेटा. हाँ, बेटे के साथ थोड़ा हार्श हो जाते हैं क्योंकि उसको दुनियादारी सिखानी है. बेटी चली जाएगी ससुराल तो फिर उसके साथ थोड़ा प्यार से रहते हैं. तो ये एक साइकोलॉजिकल इफेक्ट है. But in the fast-paced world which we live in, it is easy to overlook the quiet strength and unwavering support of our fathers. Yet it is during times of joy and adversity alike. Their true essence shines through, whether it's guiding us through life's challenges, celebrating our successes, or simply being there as a constant source of reassurance. Fathers play an integral role in shaping who we become. Today, all the fathers who are sitting here must be acknowledging what their fathers have done for them to make them this person which you are today. And of course, your mom, we cannot leave her behind. She's by default everywhere. To all the fathers present here today and to those who are with us in spirit, we say thank you. Thank you for your patience, your strength, your humor, and your boundless love. Thank you for the countless hours spent working to provide for us, for the evenings spent helping with homework, for the weekends filled with laughter and play, and for all the little moments in between that make life so rich and fulfilling. Let us all strive to cherish and honor our fathers today and always. Let us celebrate their contributions. And when I say contributions, however busy you are, make it a point to sit with your child before the child goes to bed. And if you are coming late home, make it a point, at least in a week, you sit with your child for half an hour and be with him or her child, not as father. Just see the bond which develops. Just see the way the child will be waiting and will understand that every day I cannot meet because my father is busy for me. But when in a week you once meet the child, play with the child, listen to what the child has experienced the whole week, just imagine the bond which will be coming up. So this is what I want to say. But before I conclude and move down from the dais, I would be very happy to tell you, and a proud director principal, to let you know that this year, Goenka School, Surat, has given class 10 country topper and class 12 city topper, country topper with 99.6% and city topper of class 12, 99.2%. And all the credit goes to the lovely team working here day and night for the students. So be rest assured, your children will be coming. Another 12 years will take, but be assured that the legacy will go on. Thank you so much. The team has taken a lot of pains to entertain you today. So here and there, this side, that side, something. But the intentions are to make you proud, to make you entertained.
Thank you, ma'am, for those inspiring words.
Hey Jayashree, let's get everyone energized and ready for the fun ahead.
Yes, Vedant. Dear fathers, stay energized. We have fun, jamming, performance coming up by wonderful dance and music teachers.
Put your hands together and zip, zap, zoom. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Can we hear a little louder for our PVA department? Well, fathers, I can feel the energy is quite low. Are you all ready? A little louder one. Are you all ready? That seems like a better one.
चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से, सबसे प्यारा कौन है? पापा, मेरे पापा, पापा, मेरे पापा। चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से, सबसे प्यारा कौन है? पापा, मेरे पापा, पापा, मेरे पापा। शहर उसका जाना पहचाना है, लगता है वो नादान पर वो सयाना है, चेहरे से है वो भोला, दिल का दीवाना है। फूलों ने पूछा कलियों से, कलियों ने पूछा गलियों से, सबसे प्यारा कौन है? पापा, मेरे पापा, पापा, मेरे पापा। मीठी मीठी बातों से वो सबको हंसाता है, प्यारी प्यारी अदाओं से वो दिल बहलाता है। दुनिया में आते जाते वो प्यार लुटाता है। सागर ने पूछा नैया से, नैया ने पूछा केवैया से, सबसे प्यारा कौन है? पापा मेरे पापा, पापा मेरे पापा। चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से, सबसे प्यारा कौन है? पापा मेरे पापा, पापा मेरे पापा।
तू मेरा दिल, तू मेरी जान, oh I love you daddy। तू मासूम, तू शैतान, but you love me daddy। तू मेरा दिल, तू मेरी जान, oh I love you daddy। तू मासूम, तू शैतान, but you love me daddy, but you love me daddy। अंबर पे मेरे एक ही तारा, वो एक तारा हो तुम। ना कोई खुदा मेरा तेरे सिवा, मेरा जग सारा हो तुम। मैंने तुम्हें जहाँ रखा, कोई नहीं है वहाँ। पापा मेरी जान हरदम रखना, अब हाथ ये सर पर तुम। पापा मेरी जान हरदम रखना, अब हाथ ये सर पर तुम। मैंने तुम्हें जहाँ रखा, कोई नहीं है वहाँ। Thank you.
Check. 18 number.
पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा। मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा। मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा। मिलके सब यार अपने सबके दिलों में अरमाए हैं। बैठे हैं मिलके सब यार मिलके सबके दिलों में अरमाए हैं। वो जिंदगी में कल क्या बनेगा, हर एक नजर में सपना ये है। कोई इंजीनियर का काम करेगा, बिजनेस में कोई अपना काम करेगा। मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा। मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा। थैंक यू सो मच।
Wow, that was so much fun.
I saw so many happy faces and tapping feet.
A big thank you to our amazing dance and music teachers.
For making us all grow and move with joy.
Dear daddies, we hope you loved the jamming performance.
Because you totally deserve this fun and more.
Thank you.
Well, thank you, dear my dear co-host. You may take your seats now. Wasn't it fun? Did you enjoy the jamming session? Okay, lovely. That was truly fantastic. I can already feel the energy in the room. Now it's time for some exciting games. We have arranged a variety of fun activities for all the fathers and our dearest children. I could hear that yay coming from the children. So my dear children, it's now your time to come up with your fathers and play the game. Are you excited? So moving ahead with our first game, it's time to check your bands now. Whomsoever has written colored detectives on their band are requested to come up on the stage. Can we have the stage lights on? The name colored detectives are welcome here. Yeah, I told. Along with your child. All the color detectives are requested to come up on the stage. The one who are wearing the blue wristband. जिसने भी ब्लू कलर का wristband पहना है, the color detectives is your name. Please come up on the stage. My dear teachers, it's now time for you. Please arrange the things on the stage. Yes, so we have how many contestants? Let's just check. Please, sir, please come. So all the color detectives, you are there up on the stage. So let's give a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 9. Okay. Any other color detectives in the audience? I hope we have covered everybody. Okay. So we'll play in 2 rounds. Okay. So since we have 9, let's go for 5 in the first round and 4 in the next. So 4 can wait and just observe what they are doing so you can be prepared for the next. 5 can be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So please wait. Yeah. So dear children, you can be with the teachers near the tray.
Come on. Let's
All
come
my-
to the teacher.
Yes, you will have to. No, kids will be with the teachers and you will be waiting with the baskets. You can choose any basket of your choice. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, so you can be here. So teachers, you can keep only the 5 baskets and take the rest 4. So yes, this 2 can be collected back. Yeah, perfect. So everybody holds, ma'am, wait, ma'am, 5. Priyanka, ma'am, 5. Yeah, so there are 5, 4 in the next. So sir, you can wait for the next round. Your child is here. Okay, so, yeah, what's your name? What's his name? So, respected father is here, right? So you're here. Okay, he's here. So we have a proper count. Yes, you come here with. Acha, he's there. Okay, the other one is there. Okay, so the game is very simple. Your child is going to pick up a colored ball. That particular colored ball, you have to come, run, and search in this, and then go back and put it in your basket. Are the rules clear? My dear children, you will pick one ball, which your teacher says, show it to your father, wave, 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 and the father is going to come, hunt for it, and keep it in the basket. But the twist comes here, we have the less number of balls, according to the color. So accordingly, we are going to play. So, are we ready? Okay. Dear children can be down so that, it is easily visible. Yeah. Okay. On the count of 3, 1, 2, and 3. The first color, come on. Orange, orange, orange is the first color. Orange is the first color. You have collected the ball which the child was holding. Okay, so the orange ball. Okay, orange is done. Now comes the next one. 1, 2, 3. Blue, blue, blue. Come on. Blue is the color. Aviraj, you cannot throw the ball. Okay, dear children, are you ready for the third color? 1, 2, and 3.
Come on, fathers.
The color is pink, pink, pink. Pink, pink, pink. Pink, pink, pink. Okay. The next color. Please show the next color. It's green. Green, everybody. Green, green, green. Green.
Come on, audience, let's cheer them up.
Okay, and there comes the last color. Purple. Didis, get aside.
Wow, well
So
done,
everyone has got all
father.
the balls or somebody just missed it out. So let us check here. Here there are 4. Okay, green is missing. Bravo, all the colors. 1 is missing. No, all the colors are there. And Two purple. Okay, blue and purple. Yeah. All the colors. Wonderful. Let's hear it for their fathers.
Well
and their
done.
students. Okay. So the next set of parents are requested to come and others can wait for the first round. Those who are playing, please wait there. The second round, parents can come here. Please wait backstage. We would like to acknowledge your presence in the game. So please wait backstage. Yeah. Now you can hand over the child. Yeah. Other set of children, please come. Chandina. Yeah. So fathers, now you're ready. How many we have? 4, I think. Please, sir. Please come. Okay, are we set? So the rules are clear for you all as well. So 1, 2, 3, let's go. Orange, it's orange, come on, orange. Orange, 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 orange. Let's hunt for it. Yay! The children are equally excited and jumping with joy. Didis, let it be. Thoda sa fail, it's okay. The second color, the second one, teachers. The second one. Blue it is! Blue!
Yay!
Blue, blue, blue. Blue. Okay, next color is pink, 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 pink.
Come on, parents, let's cheer them up.
Pink. Could you find it? Uh-oh. Better luck next time. Come on, the next color. Green, 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 green.
Green it
Hunt for
is.
green, yes. Well, that's the cheating. Lovely. And now the color is purple.
Next color is
Purple, purple. Come on. Oh, you missed it. Oh, you could find
Wow.
it. Everybody got it. Okay, the last one. Done. All the colors are done. Let's check. Let's quickly check the baskets. We have 5 here, 4 here. You missed on one. All are there, and all are there. Let's hear it loudly for them.
Come on, let's give a big round of
The
applause.
enthusiasm should be high. Everybody clap. Now, all the fathers who are the participants, please come up. Although few are the winners, few missed out on some, but we would like to present you the token of love to everybody. So let's hear for everyone out here. I request our pre-primary coordinator, Ms. Ankita Mulya, to hand over the token of love to all the fathers and our dear children. Please step forward. You all can be in a line. Yes. Congratulations, dear children. You played along well. Lovely. Dweety. See. Let's hear it for our dear children and the first contestants, the first set of contestants for the first game. You are going to be next, so they are also going to be your cheerleaders. So please clap for them. Lovely. Thank you so much. We'll be having a group photo, so please wait. Okay, everybody stay ready for the group photo. Ma'am, you can also join. Somebody can join him. Yes, thank you. Let's have a cheesy smile for the photo. Cheese! A pretty picture. Thank you so much. You may take your seats now. Thank you for being so sporty. Welcome. Next up, it's the time for up and stack. It's now time to check your wristbands. Up and stack. Please come up on the stage. The one with the yellow color wristbands are requested to come up on the stage. The ones with the yellow color wristbands are requested to come up on the stage. It's now time for you up and stack. You can choose any table of your choice. Yeah, so how many contestants are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So please come. Well, wait, Didis, wait. I'll tell you when to give the balloons. Wait. Okay, so you can wait for the next round. Thank you. So you can also wait for the next round. Thank you. You can also wait for the next round. So you can also wait there with them for the next round. Yeah, perfect. So everybody can see the tables and the blocks kept on it. This table has orange color code. Okay, red, green, blue, and yellow. Now, there is a picture being displayed, and that set of blocks you have to make, like pyramid you have to make, keeping the numbers in mind and the color also in mind. जो भी color का block आपके picture में दिया गया है, जैसे pyramid draw किया गया है, आपको वैसे ही करना है. आपको अपने child को guide करना है. And twist comes up here is, can I have the balloons please? Yeah, thank you. The father, all the fathers out here, you have to toss the balloons. It should be up in the air. It should not touch the floor. And simultaneously, you have to build the pyramid with your child. Got it? The rules are clear? Are we ready? Okay, let's get going. Can we have the music? Okay. Let's start, sir. The rule is you have to start by tossing and then you can do. Start. You have to make the similar block tower. Come on. Come on, you can do it. You can play it along. Sir, the balloon is going. Come on. Isn't it fun? Come on, let's hoot and cheer. Come on, let's get the claps going. Well, they are also becoming multitaskers just like the mothers. Almost there. Almost there, yes. They have done it already. Let's clap for the green team. Others keep going. Come on. Well, the balloon was not tossing while you made it. Come on, you're almost there. You can do it along, sir. One hand you can use, yeah. You did it well. Congratulations. Red is also ready. Just a little bit here and there, but it's done. Orange is almost done. Well, you made a very nice structure. It's good. It's nice. Babu, you can place here. Yes. Okay, we are waiting for the yellow and blue team. We're waiting. Let's clap, come on. Let's keep that motivation high. Okay, yellow is done. And the blue is also done. Let's clap it a little more louder. I hope you all enjoyed it. Lovely. Your performance was lovely. Now it's time for the another set of parents to come, and you all can wait. You can hand over the balloons to the next one. Teachers, if you can dismantle the pyramids quickly. Well, everybody has a balloon in their hand. So you can take that balloon. Yes, you also have it. Wait, Parv. Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, start.
Come on, parents, let's cheer them up.
And we can see almost everybody is doing at the same pace. And the red team is done. Good job. Woohoo. Come on, Rahil. Put it here, 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 here. Here, put it here. Put that block here. Green is also almost done. Come on, Parv. Yes. Orange is also almost done. Perfect. Red done. Green also almost there. And blue also done. Let's hear it louder for them. Well, thank you so much for joining for this game. We request you all the contestants to please come forward.
I request our pre-primary associate coordinator, Ms. Shreya Naranganeja, to felicitate our participants for the day. Come on, parents, can we give a big round of applause for our wonderful participants?
That is all smile. Okay, thank you so much for joining us here today. Please take your seats.
Sir,
It's now time for the next set of team. Grab and giggle. Please check your wristbands. Those who are having pink color wristbands are requested to come up on the stage. Just grab and giggle. All the pink wristbands participants are requested to come up with their children. It's very simple. The child has to stand in the hula hoop and the father has to stand outside. Same goes here. It's a pair game, so you can be partners with anybody. Yes, please come here. Rehan and the girl can be inside and you have to step outside. Sir, here. It's the partner type of game. Yeah. Here. Yeah. So you can be here and the child can be inside the hula hoop. It's like a partner game. So you will be here and the child will be inside. Each hula hoop has two children inside. Yeah. Well, sir, she can come here. Two are together. Like you will be facing the another father and there would be a child also. You also be here and you come here. Yeah, one was here. Yeah, Shloka. Sir, if you can come here. Yeah. What happened? Okay, you can play alone. It's okay, it's okay. Don't make her cry. It's okay. Yes. Sir, you stand this side and one of the contestants can stand that side. Face each other. Yeah. So where is your another one? Okay. Okay, so anyone. Okay, sir, if you can come here. Yeah, so 3 would be there in the hula hoop. Twins. So one game he can play right now and the another one, yeah? So one of the child can be here right now and the next game you can play. Come, who's there? Yes, sir, please. Yeah, perfect. Come. Okay. So the game remains very, very simple. You all are facing towards each other. Whichever body part I tell you to touch, you have to touch. Okay? And then it keeps on changing and the speed keeps on increasing. Like head, shoulders, knees. Come on, touch. Head, shoulders. Yours, yours, yours. Your own, your own, your own. Yeah, head, shoulders, knees, toes. Head, shoulders, eyes, ears, mouth, knees, toes. Grab your child. Grab your child. Grab your child. Drop them down gently. Drop them down gently. Head, stomach, back, head, shoulders, knees. Grab another child. Grab another child. Grab another child. Well, the children are becoming cranky. That's okay. That's okay. Okay, let's go it again. Head, shoulders, knees, eyes, ears, mouth, tongue, ears. Grab your child. Turn around. Okay, you can put them down. Now you have to touch your elbow to your child's head. Touch your elbow to your child's head. Well, your elbow to your child's head. Head. Yes. Now the child has to jump 5 times. You have to jump along. Hold them and jump 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Lovely. Now you have to be out inside the circle. They will be outside. Okay. Lovely. Now you have to touch your child's body parts. Okay. Head, hair. Well, it's almost there. Yes. Shoulders. Make them take a swirl. Let's dance together.
Woo, come on.
Come on, let's dance together.
Yes.
Now, pass the hula hoop together. You have to come out of the hula hoop. Pass through it to your body. Pass it through your body. Lift it up. Lift the hula hoop. You have to be inside. Yes. Try to lift the hula hoop. Yes. You have to pass it. And then the children will be inside. Well, completely instruction based. Lovely. And now the children have to take circles inside. Circles. Turn around. Yes, lovely. Now the favorite task. All my dear children, run on the stage. Your fathers are going to catch you. Come on, the one who catches them first is the winner. Come on, let's get running. Your favorite part, come on. Yes. Run, Shloka, run on the stage. Come on. Catch them if you can. Okay. Hold them tight, grab your child, hug them tightly, and the game is over. Lovely participation by all the participants. Please come here. We would like to felicitate you. Please come. We request our pre-primary coordinator, Ms. Ankita Mulya, to come forward and hand over the token of love. Well, let's clap for each and every team. It takes courage to come up on the stage and follow what we are doing. Mission Decode team, stay ready. Up next, we have you as the team that would be playing. Mission Decode. Check your wristbands. Mission Decode. Well, the ones who are wearing green color wristbands, you will be coming next on the stage after the group photo.
I request you all to please step down from your left side.
You may take your seats, collect the bag from Didi so that you can keep your token of love inside. Mission Decode team, now it's your turn. The green color wristband participants, please come up on the stage. Well, the stage is getting all set for the game. All you have to do is, the child is going to be there and the fathers have to be here. So you can hand over the child to the teachers and you can come here. Hitisha, you have to be here. Papa will be there. He'll be running to you and coming. Please come here. Yes. Come on, let's go. Lovely, perfect. Okay, you can be together. So, all my contestants, yeah. All the fathers are ready. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Perfect. Here the trays are ready. Okay. Okay, perfect. So the children are having some things in their tray. The twist is how much you know about the child and the curriculum that they are learning. We are going to play some rhymes, and वो rhyme में जो particular word आता है, like if I say twinkle twinkle little star, so उसमें जो words आते हैं, that objects we have kept it in the tray. आपको decode करना है वो rhyme के लिए हमने क्या रखा हुआ हो सकता है, and you have to pick it up and put it in your tray. Select your tray first. Select your tray, क्या वहीं रखेंगे, and then, yeah. So rules are clear. You want me to explain again, or is it clear with everybody? Okay, so can we hear the first rhyme? Little volume up. Perfect.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Just listen it carefully.
6,
Yes, you can get going now. Come on, search. You can search anywhere, in any of the tray. Yes, you're right. Run. We have just few. आपके बच्चे की ही सिर्फ ट्रे नहीं देखनी है, सब ट्रेस देखिए. No. You don't have to take that. Well, wait. Okay, stop the music. Well, we consider this as trial round. Yes, we consider this as trial round. You don't have to go to your own child. आपको, like once I got the fish alive, there was fish. So fish किसी में भी हो सकती है. So you can search for any of the tray. So this became the trial round. I hope everybody was clear. Perfect. Hunt for any of the trays. Yes, hunt for any of the trays. Okay? Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, Ankita ma'am. Let's get going with the next rhyme. next rhyme. It's another one now.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yes,
3
bravo.
bags full.
Come on.
One for the
Yes.
master. One.
Lovely, perfect. There was a wool that we kept. Two yarns were there, so they have already collected it. What happened with? So they are going to pick it up. It's the game. आपकी पहले finish होगी तो you are the winner. It's okay, it's okay. Khushi ma'am, if you can be with Ved. Okay, let's get going. The next rhyme.
Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
The fathers are asking their children, क्या होगा?
Mommy finger, where are you?
Well, we are talking
Here
about
I am,
what?
Here I am.
Yes,
Yeah,
you guessed
you're
it correct. It's a
Yes.
family. Family, yes.
Yes, correct. Brother finger.
Oh, wow, that's great. It's getting interesting. Yes. Now you need to listen to your child very carefully what he or she is speaking at home. Okay, the next rhyme, please.
If you sneeze, cover your nose, cover your nose.
Cover your nose.
If you sneeze, cover your nose, so you don't spread germs.
It's related to germs.
Germs,
Germs.
go away.
Germs
If
go
I say
away.
I
What can we
cannot
use?
play, germs, go away. If I
Well, you
say
guessed
I
it correct,
cannot
sir.
play. Don't forget to wash your hands.
Wash your hands. Yes.
Wash your hands.
Lovely.
Don't forget to wash your hands. So
Lovely, lovely. Can we have the next rhyme, please?
Johnny,
Yes, Papa.
eating sugar.
No, Papa.
Well, be careful.
Sure?
Yes, Papa.
Open your mouth.
Well, there were sugar packets. Sugar packets. These two, one of them was here, Avisha's father, and sorry, yeah. Okay. Okay, the next rhyme, please. It's getting more and more interesting. Audience, please clap.
मम्मी की रोटी गोल गोल पापा के पैसे गोल
क्या हो सकता है?
Yes.
Well, this father listens to his child very nicely.
दादी की बिंदिया गोल गोल
Bindiyas, all the bindiyas are there now. Next rhyme, please. पहले ही भाग गए.
row, row, row your boat.
Whoa, bravo!
Merrily, 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 life is
उसी पे इस पे सब उठा उठा के आ रहे हैं. Lovely, lovely. Next rhyme, please.
Hot, hot summer, hot summer. The sun is shining, children are playing, juices are cooling, my ice cream is melting. Let's go swimming.
Yes, it was the ice candy, ice popsicle. Lovely. Next. Well, last 2 to 3 left.
Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, touch your nose.
Wonderful.
Teddy
Well, last 2 rhymes to go. Let's play.
Twinkle, twinkle,
Woo woo!
how I wonder what.
Well, इतना ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस भी अच्छा नहीं है. ओके, अब जो पहले भाग के उठाएगा वो. Okay, well done. Did you all enjoy? Let's see who know the child very well. He has got 3. Yes. वो सुनने की जरूरत है. 3 here as well. Well, 2 here, 2 over there as well. You also got 2? 3. Lovely, fantastic. And 1, 2, 3, 4. You're the winners. Yay! Please come. We would like to felicitate you for that spontaneous behavior of yours. Please come.
I request our pre-primary associate coordinator, Ms. Shreya Narang, to felicitate the participants. Come on, can we have a big round of applause for our contestants over here?
Well, get ready for the group photo. Come closer. Next, Basket of Joy team contestants, please stay ready. The one with the orange wristbands. You will be up here next on the stage to play the next game, the Basket of Joy. And the other teams, those who have played, we will have one more common game for all of you. So keep that excitement on. Basket of Joy, please come up on the stage. Well, let's see how many contestants do we have. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And anybody else? Yeah. Okay, so we will play 5 in the first round. 5 in the first round. So one can be here. You can. One of you can come here, sir. You can come here. It's okay. Khushi ma'am, do we have you here? Okay, Meenakshi ma'am, can you take Vivan along? One round he'll play with Ishan and then second with Vivan. Okay. Okay, Nishay, come bacha, come. You have to be here. Yes, perfect. Sir, you can come here. Okay. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the others can wait for the next round. Okay? Yeah. You can observe the game till then. Now, fathers, let your child be here. You come here. So you can wait for the next round. Yeah. Okay, my dear children over here. Yes. Hello, 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 hello. So you can be there. Yeah. What you have to do is you have to pick up a ball. My dear children, आपको ball उठानी है and you have to throw in daddy's box and you have to grab the box and try to hold where the ball is going. Got it? Clear? Okay. Let's get going. 1, 2, 3, start. Pick up the ball. Throw. You cannot come this close. Come on. Perfect. Well, let's show some cricket skills here. Catching skills. Lovely. Well, you both can go 2 steps back. It's very close. That's all. Go 2 steps back. Come on, finish it up. Nishay, next. Hetal Didi, Shreya ma'am, take that child. Come on, last one. Lovely. Well, almost you can catch it all. I think you are practicing for cricket catching much. Yes, all are done. These 4 are empty. Come on, Ishan, let's get going. Wonderful, jump. You have completed all the balls. Good. Lovely. Thank you so much, dear fathers. You can empty it here. And the next set of contestants can come up. Thank you so much. Okay, Nisha, you can go now. Your other friends are going to come and play, okay? Thank you.
Sir, you can drop the box.
Ishan, go with ma'am. Come here, beta. Okay, he has played already or he's come for the first time? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Can we have one more set? Do we have it? No, we have equally. Okay. We can take the baskets. Take the baskets and the tray. Basket and the tray. Yes, perfect. Basket that side with the balls and tray over here. Yeah. All my dear children, 1, 2, 3, pick up the ball and throw. Come on, next. Very good, very nice. Fantastic. Very nice, wonderful. Be careful. Well, ma'am is appreciating the aiming of one of the child here. She has a perfect target to set. Yes, Novian, you're almost there. Come on, you have to pick up the ball. Very good, lovely. Wow, all done. Very good, very nice, perfect. Lovely. Novian, it's okay. Come on, Diana, last one. Great. Well, wonderful. All the contestants, please come up on the stage. It's now time to feel proud and get acknowledged by the token of love. I request our pre-primary coordinator, Ms. Ankita Mulya, to come forward and hand over the souvenirs. Didis, you can please collect the materials. Thank you. Well, we can never run a show without our hardworking Didis. Thank you so much, Didis, for being there always for chotu sa work and big things. Okay, are we all in a line? Perfect. It's now time for Ankita ma'am to come. Yes. Congratulations to all the participants. You all played really well. Well, I can see since morning that you all have been so energized and enthusiastic for the games. So after this, all games are done. Still, I would like to ask, how's your Josh? Well, kisi ki awaaz aayi. How's the Josh? Still high and ready for the next game? Yes, lovely. That's like the team spirit, and that's like the spirit of a father. So we request all the fathers to come up on the stage with their children. All the fathers, once the group photo is done, this group photo, then you can come. And we heartily appreciate that you have followed the theme for the day and you all are in the twinning attires, majority of you. So kudos to that. Well, you can wait here till that they are getting picture clicked. Okay, everybody smile. Ishan Vivan. Smile. Novyan, be with your father. Yeah. Okay. Smile. So basically you can keep your souvenirs here, all the materials here, and get up on the stage. You'll need your whole body to move around. So please keep your things at the side and come up on the stage. Sir, you can step down from that side, collect the bags, and keep your materials down. Yeah, please come. Shall I explain the rules? All the fathers come up on the stage. Yes. So the instructions are, you all will be getting a balloon. The father also and the duo, child also. And what you have to do is, there is going to be a ribbon. 1 minute. Well, can I have your attention here? Those who are listening to me, clap out loud. Well, those who are listening to me, clap out loud. Clap, 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 yes. Those who are listening to me, turn around. Those who are listening to me, jump up high. Those who are listening to me, touch the ground. Lovely, you all are with me now. So, we are going to play the last game of this day. What you have to do is, you are going to get a balloon that will be tied with a ribbon. You have to tie that balloon around your ankle. Very simple. Khud ka bachao, dusro ka fodo. Okay? So the stage is all yours. Ghumo, firo. But khud ka balloon bachao aur dusro ka fodo. Be careful with children. The children will also be getting the balloons. So it's okay. Fathers can play because bachche ka toot gaya to rona shuru. Okay? And then it's a task for you. Okay, so teachers, you can start handing over the balloons. When I say start, तब फोड़ना शुरू करेंगे. अभी से नहीं करेंगे start. पहले सब collect कर लीजिए and tie it around your ankle. Tie it around your ankle. Everybody will be getting the balloons. We have enough of it. Teachers, you can start distributing from here also. One bag you can bring it here, Mansi ma'am. Yes, Shloku. Everybody take your balloon. You have to tie it around your ankle. Yes. Once you all have collected and tied it, first we'll get a nice picture of you all. So you can stand in a semicircle. Collect the balloons for yourself and for your child. You can play with the balloon. No? Okay. It's okay. Well, we all can stand in the semicircle. Once you're getting ready, start forming the circle from your semicircle. Yes. Vaibhav sir, you can come here. Shloka, at least go with your father. Hold it. It's okay, Didi, let it be. Okay, we all are ready. The balloons are distributed. Have you all tied the balloon? Everybody has got it? Okay. I think everybody has got the balloons. सबको balloon मिल गया, कोई बाकी है, then hands up. Okay. Didis and teachers out. You can go in the backstage. Yes. Now we'll stand for the group photo. Chalo.
Okay, all the fathers, Naveen sir, can you just put down the music for a minute? All the fathers will have one quick group photo of everyone together. So quickly assemble yourself. Quickly. And then we start with the game. Okay, we'll take one group photo of everybody. All the fathers together. Vanchita, where's your papa? Go, we're clicking a picture. Go, 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 go. Quickly, let's form a semicircle so that everyone's visible. We can have few fathers on the knees also, so the back ones can be seen. And of course, the taller ones can be at the back. Shorter ones are there at the back. Come forward, please. Oh yes. Can we have few of them sitting here? Otherwise, this won't look equal. Just one or two of them on the knees here. Thank you. Oh wow. ठीक लग रहा है? थोड़ा squeeze in. And when Vaibhav sir is clicking the picture, what are we going to do? Yes, the GDGIS Nursery Fathers rock. Come on, let us see that smile. All the teachers, please sit down on the chairs. Where is Vaibhav sir? See right there. Smile. Well done, fathers, and we start. Let's start with the game. And 1, 2, 3, go!
Go everyone,
Come
let's
on.
bust! Woo! Bumps, bumps everywhere. The balloon battle is on. Woo! बच्चों को मत फोड़ना बस. Trying to save and running on the stage. Lovely. Well, you will burst your own balloon, dear. Come on. Sir, it's cheating. You have to tie around your ankle. हाथ से फोड़ो इनका भी. Woo! Pop, pop everywhere. Well, the battle looks there. Where three fathers are together.
बच गया. So I think Hriday's father deserves a big round of applause for saving his balloon for so long.
Lovely, lovely, perfect. He still has it. Ooh, just gone. Well, some were left with microseconds before it got bursted. Well done to this father.
We still have the two fathers.
These two have the battle.
Oh,
Well, अब इतनी सारों की तादाद में आप अकेले हैं, sir. Well, let's declare him the winner for this game. Congratulations to everyone for showing this the excitement and the enthusiasm. Clap for your
Clap
own
for
selves.
yourselves.
You should feel proud. Lovely.
You've been an amazing game players and the audience, and thank you so much for coming here and gracing this occasion. It has been a lovely time with all of you. Thank you so much, fathers.
Well, without the balloons now, you can be here for the group photo. Some can sit, some can stand. Let's get a group photo clicked.
All right, so before we all disperse and have a group photo, can we have a 10 minutes dance party? What say all of you?
Well, that seems interesting. All the fathers,
Come on, children.
you can get your legs moving and shaking. Come on. Dance your heart out. You can spread on the stage and enjoy. The stage is all yours.
Teachers, can we have children with you so that show them to dance? Help them out, children. Teachers can go on the stage, please. Everybody, please go on the stage. Nikki, go on. Come on, put your hands up in the air.
Dear fathers, please wait. Please wait.
The dispersal will happen from this side, so it's a humble request to please not use that gate. In the pre-primary quadrangle, we have a photo corner specially designed for the fathers. Please go to the pre-primary section, get yourself clicked there with the father, and then we can disperse.
We can have the school
Yes,
anthem.
we'll have the school anthem before you disperse, so please don't use that exit.
Please stand as we are going to sing the school anthem now. Please rise in the honor of school anthem. Wherever you are, you can just take a moment to pause. Can we have the school anthem, please?
To you I raise my sweet adoration. To you I pledge my endless devotion. The rich knowledge we get with your guidance. Our trust for you is growing higher. We are the children of GDGIS. We are the family of GDGIS. We learn and play as we find ourselves and give the world the best of us. We pray and wait for the time so glorious. We grow with you and win laurels. We are the children of GDGIS. We are the family of GDGIS. We are the children of GDGIS. We are the family of GDGIS.
Thank you, dear all. You may exit from this door, and a feedback link will shortly be shared in the class WhatsApp group. So please provide with your valuable feedback. Thank you for joining us today. Please move towards the pre-primary section. Enjoy the scrumptious candies that are provided and get your pictures clicked. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy your weekend.